With the worst of the snow done, many here in Washington County are starting to dig themselves out and deal with the aftermath of yesterday's storm. It'll be a long few days for Raymond Penland and his family. The pipes in their Greene County home burst, and they ended up bracing Sunday's storm at a hotel 40 minutes away in Washington.
And we're just here just to stay out of the weather.
We met Raymond yesterday while he was shoveling out a walkway for hotel guests. And that's where we found him again today, trying to dust off his car and get things cleared for others.
And the employees needs a little bit of help once in a while. You just ask them for the shovel and a broom, and you got to do what you got to do.
Neighbors helping neighbors, right?
That's all it is. If you're staying here for a week or longer, this still counts as your house, no matter what.
For the most part, he's been staying off the roads. That's pretty typical for most people in the area. Gerald Coleman, the public safety director for Washington County, says many businesses, including the county offices, have closed down for the day, which helps keep people off the road and safe at home.
Staying off the roads helps immensely. And I have to thank everybody for their cooperation, and that helps us do our job. Our citizens stayed at home, stayed safe, stayed warm, and, let the folks out there doing their job. And it kept our call volume down, I believe.
Raymond echoed that same message to stay at home.
Anybody out here in the weather, if you're going to chance it, but if you don't want to wreck your car, don't recommend it.
For now, covering Washington County in Washington, Ava Rash, Pittsburgh's Action News 4.